sky so wide and free. Grow with me, come and see. Gentle winds that guide your way. Learning grows with each new day. Grow with me, take it slow. Let the seeds of wisdom grow. Every step a call embrace. Find your rhythm, find your space.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for clicking to watch your welcome back to another beautiful video. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how we renovated our shop and how we are gifted by the Coca-Cola company. Just stay, make sure you watch to the end and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like and drop your comment and watch the ads too. I'm getting better. Yeah, so guys, work is in progress here and this is what we got here. Let me show you guys around. You can see everywhere is just scattered for now. Here too. Okay, rain has been so much and yeah, men at work. So this is our old snooker board that has been dismantled, and yeah, I wanted to use the wood for some other thing, but I don't know whether it's going to work. And you can see some renovations here and there. This is our board. Everywhere is just scattered today. You can see here all these places has been changed finally. As nothing the ego. The transfer. So yeah, this is how everywhere is looking. See, our boss man is doing plastering work here, and yes, so our chiller just around this. Jack Moran orange. Oh, this dog is big. I laid down my scissors. Go with it. My old one can make actually video.
Yeah. Life no be joke, we dey run am like race. So Miss lifestyle not divide.
So yeah, my husband was trying to compare the old chiller and the new chiller. You can see now the new one has 4 steps, but the old one has just 3 steps. So yeah, and according to the guy that brought the chiller, he said that the new one is I don't know. He said it came with inverter. I don't just understand, but yeah, this is the new chiller and this is the old one that we have been using. So we have new chiller. They just brought new chiller for us today. Dog, this dog is so huge. Anything you want, make you reach and sharp. Some is lifestyle. Now we be the man. Vision they clear like Sena HD. We the big dream, we know the small picking shit. Family and crew, everybody legit. Some is lifestyle, now premium fit. Some is lifestyle, no they Cola, yeah. We they move forward, we know they so I think they're distributing this to other customers. Hey,
respect us now. We dey build dreams like saying at our house. Hustle hard, but we still dey grip out. Some is lifestyle steady making them wow. Some is lifestyle, no they carry last. We dey move forward, we know they look back. Life no one chance, make you do it fast. Every level we go clear the track. Now we go turn up, make the place too lit. No time for your bros, no time to quit. Anything you want, make you reach out. Now we be Life no be joke, we dey run am like race. Some is lifestyle, not the vibe we dey chase. Every day na cruise with a smile on my face. We know they dull, we dey keep up with pace. Some is lifestyle, no they carry last. We dey move forward, we know they look back. Life no one chance, make you do it fast. Every level we go clear the track. Now who they look down, go respect us now. We dey build dreams like saying at our house. Hustle hard, but we still dey grip out. Some is lifestyle, steady making them wow. Some is lifestyle, no they carry last.
On the beat, come on. If you not sabi dance, come on, buddy. Hey, KK, KK, sa sa sa, sa 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 sa. If you not get waste, no sample. If you not get waste, no sample. If you not get waste, no sample. Come on. Hey, KK, KK, KK. Kuda kumapa mida, kuda kumapa mida, kuda kumapa mida. Hey, hey. Okay guys, so we are here. Continue tomorrow. Our MP, our DJ is going. Roxanne of the Most High. So yes, our new chiller just arrived and I've been dancing. You know, easy, Kai. You know, easy. You know, so I'm super excited and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Hey, so yes, today starts the day. It's weekend already, and today I'm doing some laundry. I'm washing some clothes, and I don't know if there is any other thing I'll let you guys know, but I just want to tell you guys that we have a new chiller from the Coca-Cola company. I want to say a big thank you to them because it's not easy. It's not easy to recognize a person as your customer and to give to your customers. So I appreciate them for that. I thank them for that. And yes, we pray for more massive sales. Tell me congratulations in the comments, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next slide. Cashier.